one better choice, and a cleaner daily rhythm that is actually realistic to keep going. Cities also produce heat directly. Engines, traffic, industrial equipment, lights, appliances, and buildings all release waste heat. Air conditioning is one of the clearest examples because it creates a strange trade. It moves heat from inside a building to outside the building. Indoors, people may feel relief. Outdoors, the machine adds warmth to alleys, rooftops, courtyards, and streets. That does not mean air conditioning is bad or unnecessary. During dangerous heat, it can save lives. But it does mean cooling cannot be understood only as a private indoor solution. If every building responds to heat by pushing more heat outside, the public space can become harder to endure. Traffic works similarly. A road filled with vehicles is not only a transportation system. It is a moving set of engines, exhaust, hot tires, dark surfaces, and metal shells sitting in the sun. Urban heat therefore comes from both passive materials and active energy use. The city absorbs heat from the sun, and it also generates heat through the way it operates. This becomes especially important in dense areas where energy demand rises during heat waves. The hotter the city gets, the more cooling people need. The more cooling is used, the more waste heat and electricity demand can increase. Without better design, heat can create a feedback loop where the solutions that protect some people indoors intensify stress outside. This is why better building performance matters as much as better machines. The less heat a building gains, the less cooling it needs, and the less waste heat it throws back into the shared urban environment. Water is another missing piece. Natural landscapes cool partly through evaporation and transpiration. Plants move water from soil into the air through their leaves, and that process uses energy. It can cool the surrounding environment in the same basic way sweat cools the body. Cities often interrupt this cycle. They cover soil with impermeable surfaces